Good day mga ka-faith friends, and our gospel for today is according to Mark chapter 7 verse 1 to 13. In this passage, we are reminded that it is possible to have lives that are characterized by outward form of godliness, but to have hearts that are far from God. We can very easily find ourselves in the trap of maintaining commitment to religious traditions and yet neglect any true love for God or His words. We must embody acceptance and faith in others that whatever they do, whatever they may practice, they must be doing it out for love and for others to accept them as well. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook page, download the Facebook app, or just visit our website www.facebook.ph. God bless mga ka-faith friends!